Well, weather forecasting, it is critical work that many people rely on, but artificial intelligence is making innovations in forecasting. Meteorologist Scott Sumner is here to explain. Hey, Scott.
Hello there, Tosin, and hello to you. In part two of my package here with AI, I recently spoke with two of Microsoft's premier researchers for their AI AURORA system, which you saw yesterday, but also spoke with meteorologist and physical scientist Ted Ryan regarding how he works in informing National Weather Service meteorologists in AI so that they're up to speed and know how to use it. Take a look.
I do training about a fundamental understanding of what machine learning is, what artificial intelligence is, how can we use those in the field, how can forecasters leverage those tools to do some of the tasks that we do in the National Weather Service.
In talking with other forecasters, Ted mentioned that the National Weather Service are not so much apprehensive about AI, but instead look forward to understanding it.
We've conducted training seminars where we've actually asked, like, are you excited? Are you nervous? Do you think it's going to replace you, et cetera? I would say about 2/3 of the workforce in the Weather Service are actually really excited about AI. They know that it's going to help them be another tool to get forecast information out.
One thing on the mind of many meteorologists is that AI would take over people's jobs, but Ted Ryan wasn't 100% on board with that mindset.
I don't anticipate that the United States Weather Service is going to be radically different in 5 years. I think that we're still going to rely on these dynamic models.
Plus, when it comes to severe weather, AI is still not up to speed, keeping meteorologists' jobs intact.
We're a little worried about extreme weather. In other words, they have done things like deleted all hurricanes from the learning record and then asked it to forecast and see if it could actually forecast a hurricane, and it could not.
I shifted gears and then asked if he thought that people wanting to get into the forecast field will need more coding background added into their education.
That poses that we need to have a long record of all the extreme weather that's possible for an AI model to actually forecast. We in the Weather Service are actually having those conversations with the academic partners, schools across the country about what they should be including in their meteorology program of the future, so to speak.
You know, Ted did go on to say that coding wasn't the end-all, be-all, and that getting a degree in meteorology, well, that's still a priority since AI models don't understand anything about the atmosphere. Scott Sumner, DC News Now.